Welcome to Tottyn Falls. The entrance to Tottyn Falls is the same as the original Kasarua Falls. You start the hike in the same place, but as you descend the mountain, instead of going right at the fork, you go left. It is really a steep hike, but the path down the mountain has been cleared, and steps have been made using rice sacks filled with sand. It is about 20 to 30 minutes down until you reach the river, and, from there you follow the path left. A helpful local has painted arrows on rocks to guide you to the falls, but, as long as you head down river, you will find it. You will have to cross the river on bamboo bridges a few times, but, it is an easy and beautiful hike. After a short 20-minute walk down river, you will come out on top of Tottyn Falls, so, after one last bamboo bridge and a couple ladders, you will be at the base of the falls. What Tottyn lacks in height, she makes up for in a huge deep pool to swim in, tires to swing on, and the rock wall to jump off. Tottyn Falls is seriously a playground, and we could have spent all day there just hanging out. Just about everyone who's visited Dumaguete City has heard of Kasarua Falls, but, on the same Banaka River, you will find the hidden gem known as Tottyn Falls. It is a favorite amongst locals, and those looking for a little privacy away from the tourists that flock to Kasarua Falls, since it is so close to the city and not a long hike. Tottyn Falls is found along the Banaka River in Valencia, just 20 minutes from Dumaguete City, along the same road as Kasarua Falls, but not quite as far. The easiest way to get there is via scooter, which you can rent for a day. If you don't want to drive a scooter, you can rent a car for a day, or hail a tricycle from town, but make sure to barter for a reasonable price since it is a special ride to the falls. Tottyn Falls is an awesome little waterfall for adventure seekers, and anyone who appreciates the beauty of nature. While you are there, you should also check out the original Kasarua Falls, another underrated waterfall, just upriver about 20 minutes. If you've got even more time to explore, continue your drive up the road, and swing by the popular Kasarua Falls, and take 3 falls off your list in one day. Most people who visit Negros Oriental are told to stay in Dumaguete, but what they really mean by that is, stay around Dumaguete. True, Dumaguete City has plenty of tourist inns and budget hotels, but it's the surrounding towns of Tottyn and Zamboanga that offer the best spots to stay. There's not a whole lot to do in the city itself, so when you stay in the nearby municipalities, there is plenty of nature to explore whilst still being nice and close to Dumaguete City. See you there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to know the latest update from OFW Insights World.